If you are under the age of 18 and you are watching this video, please stop now. This content is not intended for you. Hey everybody, it's TMIKA. I am back with the Christmas winter theme shaped tag swap. We are at group 1.5. So I know that's a little weird, but short story. Denessa, who is DLove104, long-term friend and banter buddy, missed the swap, and she always participates, but she missed it this year and really wanted to play. So I was like, okay, since I gave up my spot for someone who wanted to play, I have 3 swaps that I made, so I'll swap with you. So hence 1.5, group 1.5. So we decided to do the swap just with ourselves, and I am gifting her, or not gifting, I'm swapping my tag, which is the GNOME tag, which you guys have seen a bunch of times, and I did a tutorial on the GNOME via a live, so I'll have that down below in the description box. But this is how I ended up packaging hers, and it has this cute little ribbon on it. It's in plastic because I don't, which is double in plastic, because I have a cup in here, what do you call it, a drinking cup, and then it has a little card on the back. It's for her. So this cup, let me see if I have one that's open. It is just too cute. All right, here's the other one, which will go to 2 other people. But yeah, look how cute this is. GNOME for the holidays. Ah, it's so cute. It's a double insulated cup with a straw. So yeah, anyway, that's what she's gonna get as her goodie from me. And then of course, yeah, the tag is in that, and then the card. So that's my gift to her. Not gift, I keep saying gift. That's my swap for her. And then let me show you what Denessa created for me. So this is what Denessa created for me. She's included a lot of goodies. So she has some felt tags here. Where's the opening? Here it is. So cute. Did you make these, cuties? It's adorable. It has a to from on the back with the cutest little trim. So cute. Flat back pearl eyes. These are adorable. Reindeers. Reindeer. Really cute. She also included some sugar blush skate mix and sugar blush box mix. Are you selling these now? These are cute. I love this mix. So cute. I love them. Really cute. And then she also included some straws of different varieties. Beautiful iridescent copper, gold, mint, and more mint. And peach. Very, very pretty, girl. Thank you. She's included some sticky trim, bling in the pink and the brown. And look, she sent some iridescent bags. Oh my gosh, I've been seeing people with these and wanting these bags. Oh my gosh, and it's like a minty iridescent. They're so cute. Look at this. And you sent so many. Look at that. They are so adorable. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's like a metallic. Oh wow. That is awesome. And she sent some larger ones. And then this metallic. Oh my gosh. Larger. Even larger. Oh my gosh. These are so cute, Denessa. So, so cute. I love them. I love them. I love them. I love them so much. All right. On to her swap. Denessa still had to follow the same rules. So create a tag, mix down there. This is too cute. It says Merry Christmas. Look at this foam. Where'd you get this thick foam from? That is adorable. I mean, not adorable, but this is adorable. I want the foam. And this foil paper is so pretty. Cute little flowers. Oh, okay. It says, oops, you said no trees. Trees, snowmans, or skates. Did you make a tree of snowmans? So, oh, okay, here's the swap. I was gonna go in. This box is long. Leave it to her. I told you, my banter buddy, I swear. Oops, you said no trees, snowmen, or skates. And look, she got a snowman, a skate, and a tree. I am done with her. This completes our friendship. I am done. This is cute though. Fa la la. This is a cute little snowman on a tag. He's adorable. He's so cute. The coveted skate. Ah, to from. It's a pretty stamp. Shaker. Cute little flower decor. She got this all laced up with a little bow. This beautiful mint green organza trim. Cute. Okay, girl, now you done did this tree a little bit differently. It's cute. She got presents at the bottom and everything. Is there anything in these presents? Okay. Look at all the little ornaments she has on here. Oh, sorry. What a cute idea. They are real ornaments. So cute. Merry Christmas. That is adorable. I like that stamp. That's a great idea. And then she has, ooh, she has a black Santa. Let's see. Oh my gosh. And look at him in his mint and pink. Oh my gosh, your coloring is super cute. I love the shading. These are so cute, girl. You made so much. You know you're only getting one tag from me, right? Just so you. So cute. And then now let's see what she made in her swap. This girl, I tell you, if I didn't love her so. Oh, look at him. It's too cute. Let's see if I can get him open. All right, look at him with this plaid. Oh, I love this plaid paper. She has Believe on here. Love the chocolate. She has little light light flecks, reflects. Beard is popped up on some shimmer paper. Gold trim. This little hat has a little ball there. This is so cute. There's the to from on the back. So adorable. I know just who this is going to. This is going to my son, TJ. I love it. He's going to love it. Thank you so much, girl, for swapping with me and your funnies. You're so hilarious. So you guys be sure to check Denessa out at DLove104.